Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Don't you hate being restricted by the cord at the end of your hand mixer? My corded mixer always seems to get in the way and ruin my fun in the kitchen. Plus, the thought of having to haul out a heavy mixer and untangle the cord just feels like so much extra effort. For years I would always wonder why no one has invented a cordless hand mixer yet and was seriously considering taking the plunge and doing it myself. When I found out about the first cordless hand mixer I was delighted. These nifty gadgets have revolutionized baking for home enthusiasts like me and you. These handy appliances allow you to mix anytime, anywhere. Ultimate baking freedom. Cordless hand mixers are still pretty new technology in the baking world. Some current models are pretty good than others. There are various products available to choose from cordless hand mixers, each with different quality, benefits, and prices. Today in this video, I will help you take the perfect pick from those available products. After extensive research and reading tons of reviews, I have made a list of the best cordless hand mixer out of the reputed brands based on personal opinion, product quality, durability, and customer reviews. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. If you're looking for a quality mixer that is going to give you the best bang for your buck, look no further than the KitchenAid Cordless KHMB 732. There are so many good things to be said about this machine. For starters, it comes with a powerful 12-volt lithium-ion battery that offers a pleasantly surprising amount of power, allowing the mixer to handle even the thickest batter with ease. Like with every cordless hand mixer, the KitchenAid is rechargeable and can be charged up from empty to full in as little as 2 hours. On a full charge, it can make up to 200 cookies and also features a quick 10-minute charge if you need to stir up a last-minute cake batter. Even if you forget to charge your mixer before you started baking, you can also use the KitchenAid with the charging cord attached. When it comes to mixer settings, the KitchenAid Cordless features 7 speed settings, from a slow stir to incorporate ingredients to a high-speed whip for making meringues. The range of speeds allows you to make a variety of delicious goods with ease. Another great feature, found on many KitchenAid hand mixers and stand mixers, is the soft start, which brings the beaters up to the selected speed gradually to help prevent ingredients from splattering. The KitchenAid Cordless KHMB 32 is one of the best on the market and is sure to make your baking experience a breeze. Number 2. Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart EvolutionX Cordless Hand Blender is a great option if you're looking for a versatile and powerful cordless machine that is more than a one-trick pony. Okay, so it's not technically a hand mixer, but the additional whisk attachment makes it ideal for whipping up a storm in your kitchen without the constraints of a cord. Just like its Cuisinart hand mixer counterpart, it has 7.4 volts of lithium-ion power. The immersion blender and whisk work with a 20-minute running time and can be recharged in as little as 2 hours. Since it only has one speed, you don't need to navigate between various settings. All you need to do is press the on button and let the hand blender do its thing. The whisk attachment is ideal for light baking jobs like whisking egg whites or whipping up heavy cream. This wouldn't be my mixer of choice for thicker batter due to the single whisk and the less ergonomic body shape. Number 3. Cuisinart RH-M100 EvolutionX Cordless Hand Mixer. The Cuisinart Cordless EvolutionX is a powerful and versatile mixer that is sure to make your baking experience a whole lot easier. As one of my favorite kitchen appliance brands, I was really excited when Cuisinart launched its Cordless EvolutionX. It has such a sleek, futuristic look about it and looks amazing on the countertop. It has 7.4 volts of lithium-ion power, so might not have the same kick as KitchenAid Cordless, but it still does a great job at mixing light ingredients. The battery can be charged in 2 hours with a continuous running time of 20 minutes. This is actually quite a lot of time considering whipping up a cake batter only takes a couple of minutes. It has 5 variable speeds and a LED display control so you can navigate between each speed setting with ease. Number 4. KitchenAid KHBBV83 Cordless Hand Blender. Just like the Cuisinart Hand Blender, the KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is also worth a mention as it can come in very handy for taking on various baking tasks. The KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is a great option for those who want the convenience of a cordless appliance across various tasks. The KitchenAid Cordless can take on a number of different tasks around the kitchen, including blending, mixing, and chopping. It has whisk attachment to quickly whip egg whites to fluffy peaks and cream, or emulsify vinaigrettes and mayonnaise. It also has chopper attachment that allows you to chop herbs, nuts, cheeses, and more. On top of that, its variable speed trigger switch gives you greater flexibility and control over the recipe. The safety switch protects against accidental trigger movement. This little machine is packed with 8 volts of lithium-ion power, making it pretty powerful for a cordless appliance. It can blend 25 bowls of soup of a full charge, while the whisk attachment is ideal for creating light batters. Moreover, it can be charged from empty to full in 2 hours or less. However, it is also at your service with a quick charge of 20 minutes. Make a triple berry smoothie or tomato basil soup. Unlike the Cuisinart, the KitchenAid hand blender does offer variable speeds, giving you flexibility and control over what you are mixing. Number 5. Wynboop Mini Cordless Hand Mixer. This cordless hand mixer might be small, but it's pretty mighty. Equipped with a 15 mAh polymer lithium battery, this is the ultimate cordless and portable hand mixer. This battery-operated mixer charges through a USB cable and is fitted with a 20-watt motor. This might not seem like a lot, but it can produce enough torque to whisk eggs or whipped cream. It's also great for blending milkshakes or fruit purees. Of course, a smaller motor has some limitations. This mini cordless hand mixer is not the best at making thicker batters like cake or cookie dough. It is also only suitable for making small batches. Despite the limitations, this is a well-loved portable hand mixer that comes in very useful for light mixing jobs, and the hollow handheld design makes it really comfortable to hold. It's also one of the lightest hand mixers currently available. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.